Hello, and thank you so much for helping with the Wenatchee Valley Museum's wine sales table at the Wenatchee Wine and Food Fest. I wanted to give you guys a quick training on how to use Square Register, which is how we'll be ringing people up for the Wine and Food Fest. So each of you will have an iPad at the event. This button at the beginning on the iPad is the one that takes you to your home screen. If we shut this down, so you get back to, you show up and you click that button and you get a blank screen like this, you're going to want to slide to unlock it. The password for all of the iPads is 2016, so whichever one you jump on, that's the one you're going to be at. This button, this app up in the corner here is for Square Register, and that's how we're going to be logging on to sell all of the wine bottles or the liquor bottles at the event. In order to do this, you are going to, when you log on, you're going to see a long list of different wines that are for sale or different liquors that are for sale, but I put two in there right now just to show you a bit of an example. Individuals are going to be coming to you with a sales slip that marked off the kinds of wine that they want to buy and the amount that they want. You are going to then be looking them up on Square Reader. You may start off in the library that has a bunch of different categories. All of our wine and liquor is underneath wine and liquor sales. You're going to want to select that category, and again, like I said, all of the wine and the liquor are going to then be alphabetically in the wine and liquor sales. So say somebody comes to you and they want a bottle of the Beaumont Cellars Cabernet. You will click that. If they want more than one, you can click it twice. And as you see up there in the charge, it's obviously charging more than 2 times 36 because we have calculated tax in already. So you do not need to worry about figuring out the tax. I've attached that already to each of either the wine or the liquor, and it is different for both. So we did do that individually. And then say they would like a bottle of gin. That gives them their charges up. Once they have, you've rung them up for everything that they would like, you will then hit the charge button at the top. If they would like to use a credit card, you will see out of the top right here a swipe. You could swipe their credit card. If your swipe is not working, you will be able to enter their credit card number right there. If they present you with cash, you'll be able to enter the amount right there. So say they give you $200, you can pick custom, put in $200, and then hit tender. And that will also give you their change. They swipe, it will directly swipe, will charge their card, and it will ask you then to have them use their finger to sign for it. Or other payment method, we can choose check. And those are the 3 options that we have for this event. So once the transaction has gone through, you'll have the choice of either texting or emailing them a receipt, or they can just forgo the receipt. You will then sign the bottom of their sales slip, and they'll take that over to the pickup lane where they will pick their wine up. If you guys have any questions, I will be there the day of, and Lynn will be there the day of, but I hope that this tutorial will give you a brief overview of what you'll be doing for us that day. Thanks again for helping out.